me see if I can do this impression right. Gavin, always use the right tool for the job. My dad always used to tell me that in the garage. And when it comes to gunsmithing, I actually couldn't agree more. So in this video, I wanted to give you a quick look at one of my new tool sets. It's the Lyman 68-piece Master Gunsmith Tool Set. I got a couple 224 Valkyrie rifle builds, the bolt build, and the AR-15 build that I'm actually working on currently. You're going to make sure you're subscribed to see those videos. And I plan to use these tools for that project and a lot of other projects coming up. Now these tools are really important because nobody likes a bungled up straight slot screw holding their side cover on their revolver. And if you've ever tried to install and remove 1911 grips, the little bushing, if you don't have the special tool, it can make the job a lot harder. Now I have a set of screwdriver bits for gunsmithing and I've gotten a lot of use out of them. What's nice about this set is there's a lot more bits and there's some specialty tools. There are specialty tools for Weaver scope rings, Glock front sights, 1911 grip bushings, which I mentioned. It's got pin punches, all sorts of stuff that should be really useful. So let's open the box here and I'll show you what's inside, and then you'll have to watch future videos to see these tools actually in action. So it's got a nice box. There's this little slide out hang tab, which I think is really cool. You can keep it right by your bench, but off of the bench top to get it out of the way. And let's see here. There we go. Okay, let me give you an up close look. We'll walk through what's in the kit. So when we open up this kit, I see something I like straight away, and that's the fact that there's this sort of visual guide here inside the lid. And that tells you what's included, where the bits go, what the accessory tools consist of, the complete package. So that's really nice. In terms of bits, we've got quite a variety here, really. We've got a number of different Phillips bits. We've got 4 Torx bits. We've got a whole bunch of hex, kind of Allen key style bits. And then we've got a huge variety of different straight slot bits. And the profile of these bits are specific for gunsmithing and are very important in terms of being able to apply the right level of torque without damaging straight slot screw heads, some of which are very shallow on firearms, and some of the screws are domed. So having the right tool for the job is definitely super important here. So we can take the handle and then pop one of these bits in, and there's kind of a little ball detent there. It'll hold that in like that. And then we can also grab the extension, and there's a little set screw here. Pop the bit in, and if we want to hold it extra secure, then we just tighten the set screw. Now we're ready to use that particular bit. I'll do more detailed demonstrations in the actual gunsmithing videos, of course. And then we've got this ratchet. This is going to give us the opportunity to apply maximum torque. So we can just flip that to go in different directions. Very nice. So in addition, I'm going to put that in the right way, there are special tools. So we've got pin punches here. We've got the grip screw bushing bit. We've got the Glock front sight bit, the Weaver scope ring bit, and that rounds out this tool set really nicely. So if you work on your own guns and you need a good assortment of gunsmithing tools, this 68-piece Master Gunsmithing set from Lyman is a great place to start and is a great fundamental collection of tools for you to work on your own guns with. And as I mentioned, this is just a sneak peek. You're going to see more of these tools in action during my 224 Valkyrie rifle builds, during other related gun stories. So make sure you're subscribed to GavintooB with notifications. Click on that little bell. And also, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to help support Ultimate Reloader, you can also buy one of these awesome Ultimate Reloader t-shirts at the Ultimate Reloader store. Until next time, happy shooting and happy reloading.